JT Rules of Law, Sole Proprietorships. A sole proprietorship is a small business entity where one person is the business entity. A sole proprietorship is the most common form of business entity in the United States and in the state of Georgia. And it involves a business that is started by an individual. It is the simplest and most common form of business entity. The owner is the business, which makes it an advantage that you're your own boss. You do what you want to do when you want to do it. You have to file very little with the state. You just decide one day, I'm going to be in business, I'm going to start a dog grooming company. You start K's Grooming, and you're off and running. Unfortunately, this form of business has a couple really big downsides. First downside is the owner has unlimited personal liability, which means that if there is ever a debt or a judgment entered against the business, it is actually entered against you. There is no separation between you and your business. Therefore, you have no force field to protect you from obligations of the business. Therefore, your debtors and judgment holders may come against you personally. So even if you have a separate checking account for your business, they can go right after your personal assets as well, your personal checking account. There is no distinction between you and the business. You have unlimited personal liability. And another big downside to a sole proprietorship is that since you are the business, there is no separate legal entity. So when you die, your business dies. There is nothing for you to leave to your heirs. So this is a sort of a very easy, common form of business, but I would like all of you to promise never to start or run a business as a sole proprietorship.